This is the Collector's Cage. At it with another review. Hello, this is the Collector's Cage, back at it with another review of Cloak. But what is Cloak without Dagger too? I got these both at Charlotte, you have gone. So, Cloak and Dagger. They're both from the SPDR wave. And comes in a box. This is my first double review since the Doctor Strange, Multiverse of Madness, Sleepwalker and Despair, I think. So let's unbox these. Got it on the neck. This is Cloak. Right here, Cloak. Comes with the head to SPDR. Let me put this on the floor. Here's the head, and here's Cloak himself. And Dagger comes with this little like crystal effect. They have like bands on the back. I don't get the point of these little rubber bands. So here's Dagger. And the torso is SPDR. So now I have a few pieces to SPDR, but I don't think I'll be completing him because Doc Ock's in that wave. And Doc Ock's impossible to get if you're not getting the new one. It is sort of translucent from the inside, but not really from the out. So let's do Cloak first, since it won't take that long. You can take his cloak off for more articulation, but looks like standard Bucky Cat mold, pins in both. But the hood does not come off. This is the head sculpt. It has a hinge with a ball on top. But the articulation really only matters on how good it works with the actual cloak. So no, not really any up, not really, a little bit of down, a little bit of tilt. I don't know if you guys can see it though, but I wonder if it's just translucent too. Yes, hood's translucent too. This is how far his arm goes. Can come out good though. not any further. Can go back that much. I don't know if you guys can really see, but I wouldn't expect Cloak to be the best figure without soft goods. So that's how much his torso can go forward and back. Is how he came in the package. But his legs, this arm you can't even really move. Yeah, you can't move it really. The other arm you can't really move without taking it off of the cloak, so you can go that far. No back, it looks like. Swivel at the thigh. I don't know if you guys can really see, but after you guys get Cloak, you expect him to not have that much articulation because of his signature cloak. So he does have a swivel at the ankle, and this can go up and down, but he has like suited shoes. If you want to be able to fit more things in there, you could either get a thinner black mold, or you could take off his actual body and then just put Dagger in here, which I'm probably gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do. Probably gonna put Dagger probably in a pose like this. And then have Cloak without his actual body, like sort of like this. But if you get him, it's your display, so you can do whatever you want. So pretty good figures. Pretty good figures. There are older body molds though. I would like to see them get an update soon. That would be good if they got an update. Maybe if Hasbro ever does soft goods, they'll give Cloak an update at least. I'm sure we'll get an updated Dagger. So that is the collector's cage.